Do it again. Woo! Woo! Tucker. He's such a good boy. Don't touch his head.
Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Stop. Wait for Grandpa. Wait for Grandpa.
The water's almost running out. Hold on.
He likes the water.
Put it back. Put it
He
back.
sure likes the water.
Put it back closer to him. Put it back closer to him.
Come on, Pop Pop.
I told you having the pan is so the best thing.
Come on,
Okay,
Pop Pop.
okay, wait a minute.
Get some of her too.
I've been doing it. I've been putting her in there.
This is his swimming pool.
Waverly, how old are you?
5.
How old is Fisher? He's 6 months, huh?